I have with me MOS Defence, Mr. Jitendra Singh. Sir, one rank, one pension had been a long-standing demand of the soldiers. But just ahead of the elections, I mean, is there a suspect motive to that? Are you wooing the soldiers just ahead of the elections?
See, let me make it very, very clear. One rank, one pension has been a long journey. It's been a journey of the last 5 years. Over the years, the pensions have been increased. Even last year, the pensions have been increased. 2/3 of this journey has been the gap has been filled in the last 5 years. This was only 1/3 of it. I think it was a very, very important, the feelings within the armed forces, within the people who have laid their life for this country and the people who work in the most difficult of conditions. This is a very, very important announcement for them.
Sir, but lot of people would question the timing because Rahul Gandhi also met the soldiers just a few days ago and perhaps promised them the same. And then we heard it in the budget just ahead of elections. I mean, how would you counter that?
See, one has to understand the figures. 2/3 of this budget, of this pension, the gap between the thing has already been filled over the last 5 years. Honorable Raksha Mantri has been closing the gap over the last 5 years. This is only 1/3 of the gap which was left, which was anyway going to happen this year.
Also, sir, 10% increase in the defence budget. Is that something that is really enough for the country? There is a counter argument to the same. People say that the kind of money we pump into defence could be better utilized in the social sectors as well.
Of course, 10% increase may be not enough. We would want 100% increase, but that's a matter of want. How much money is available during this time when the economy globally has slowed down? 10% is anyway a welcome step.
So how would you rate the budget speech overall? It's an interim budget, but was it some of the measures like indirect taxes, measures to woo voters, because no change in direct taxes, of course, have been made?
So I think the budget speech itself was very, very good. The content of the budget was very good. The UPA government had started a series of new initiatives in terms of technology, in terms of growth. Of course, those need to be carried on, and that was highlighted in this budget.
Jitendra Singh, many thanks for speaking with Headlines Today. With camera person Alok Bhatnagar, this is Mahasuditi in Delhi for Headlines Today.